Welcome to another CAAN Tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we're diving into fence styles and how to choose the right one for your home. Let's explore the options. First up, we have Picket Fencing. This timeless style adds charm and character to any yard. It's great for defining boundaries while still allowing visibility. Perfect for a classic, welcoming look. Next, Privacy Fencing. Its seclusion is your priority. This style is ideal. With tall, solid panels, it blocks out neighbors and noise. Great for creating a serene outdoor space. Third, we have Chain Link Fencing. This durable and cost-effective option is perfect for security while still allowing visibility. It's commonly used for pet enclosures and playgrounds. Next is Wood Panel Fencing. This versatile option can be customized in height and style, offering both beauty and functionality. Plus, it can be stained or painted to match your home's aesthetic. Fifth, Vinyl Fencing. This low-maintenance option is available in various styles and colors. It's resistant to rot and fading, making it a durable choice for any homeowner. So, how do you choose the right style? Consider your needs. Do you want privacy, aesthetics, or security? Think about your budget and how much maintenance you're willing to handle. Also, check local regulations. Some neighborhoods have restrictions on fence height or materials, so make sure to comply before making a decision. And that's a wrap on fence styles. With these tips, you'll be better equipped to choose the right fence for your home. Make sure to like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Check out our playlist for more. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.